Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can open account on USAA Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your browser and simply type in usaa.com and get into the official website. Now from over here, simply scroll down and go to this option of see account, tools and services. Tap on it, and then you will be able to check out the services that they provide, etc. And from over here, you're simply gonna go ahead. Once you access the usaa.com on your browser, you're gonna simply tap on this option of checking option given on first. Then you can see no monthly service fee, just simply banking. And now from over here, you can simply scroll down, check out their services for that account of yours. Go ahead, check it out and take your time and read it through. Once you have done that, you're gonna simply go on up and tap on apply now. Now it will simply ask for you to provide your online ID first. If you do not have that, now you can tap on this new to USAA, tap on view beside it, and tap on, and then you can see you have to simply join USAA to be a member. So for that, again tap on this join USAA. On top, you get the register section. From here, you're going to tap on this continue. Provide your first name, last name, your suffix is optional, date of birth, country of citizenship, social security number, email address, your country code, phone number, every information as it asks. Tap on continue and simply create yourself an online ID. Then you're simply gonna go back and right over here, simply provide your online ID. Tap on next. Again, you have to provide some information for you to create yourself an account. Once you have done that and applied for it, you will be able to open an account on USAA Bank and you're good to go. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.